guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today on this video, I'm gonna basically show you guys what is really made this big movement and this movement. Okay, so I'm gonna be studying. Let me see where, let me see. I'm gonna be studying right over here. Okay, let me start here and breaking down this thing. I'm gonna be taking this thing as a breakout structure. As a breakout structure. Okay, as a breakup structure, and here the price was even able to come to the zone. It made a rejection. I went up, it came again, made another rejection, and the price was able to continue going up. Okay, and this thing is a breakup structure again, the breakup structure, and here the demand zone that was formed. I'm gonna be making this as a demand zone that has been formed. Okay, so you can see that the price here, it was able to give a rejection, and but unfortunately the price did what? The price was able to break below here. Okay, so here I'm going to be marking the zone. This order flow, because maybe the price maybe might return to the zone, I don't know. And here the price, you can see that the price did what here? The price it came here, it gave a little bit of rejection, but the price was able to come again to break below this low that rejected to the zone. Okay, so here I was gonna expect that the price maybe is gonna try to do what, to close above and make a change of character so that it can continue going up, because this was a demand zone. Okay, so mostly we have to buy in a demand zone and we have to sell in a supply zone. Okay, and here you can see that the price, it was not even able to do that. Like, okay, the price, it came to the zone, it gave a very good rejection, and here this was supposed to be a demand zone. Okay, this was supposed to be a demand zone, but you can see that the price, it failed to do that. Okay, so this thing, it shows me that the price, it was trying to gain a selling momentum. It showed me that the price, it was failing to go up, but it was ready to go down. Okay, the price, it did what? It broke here and retested this order flow. So mostly, if a wick is long like this, I mostly expect that the price, it might return to the zone and retest, or it might come to the supply zone that is being formed. Okay, and here this is a flip zone. Okay, I'm gonna be making this because maybe the price might come to the zone in the future. Okay, so the price did what? It broke down, it closed below, it gave a rejection with this blue candlestick, and the price, it went down. Okay, it went down until it reached this thing. So here I'm gonna be marking this thing because it's very important to me. This zone is very important to me. Why am I saying it's very important? This is the zone that it changed the way the market was supposed to move. Okay, it showed me that the price, it is gaining selling momentum. Okay, here buyers were trying to pull the market from the sellers, but the sellers were refusing with the market. Okay, the price was able to break and retest here. Okay, so this zone, maybe I'm expecting maybe the price may come to the zone, or it might come to this zone. Okay, so continue the price here, it slowed down with its selling momentum, it slowed down, and here you can see that the price did what? The price, it swept the liquidity. So mostly you have to know that if the price is able to sweep the liquidity, there might be a high chance for the price to reverse to go on the opposite side. Okay, and the price here, it also swept the liquidity on this area, and this shows what? This shows that the sellers are just trying to continue with the selling momentum, but the buyers are taking over the sellers. They're trying to take over the sellers. But here you can see that the price did what? The price was able to, I'm going to take this thing as a breakout structure. Oh, sorry for that. I'm going to take this thing as a breakout structure. Okay, the price was able to break here, it closed above with this candlestick, and the supply zone that was left behind was this one. But guess what? The price, it did what? It swept the liquidity and it went up, closed above, and it came again toward to the demand zone that was formed when the price was sweeping the liquidity. This was supposed to be a very good entry. Okay, very good entry and very good confirmation that the price it was preparing itself to do what, to go up. Okay, this was supposed to be the target. The price was able to come to the zone, and the price, it didn't even make a touch. Okay, so right now looking right over here, you can see that after the price it rejected here, what is the supply zone that was left behind? And you can see that the price it broke up with this candlestick. So I'm gonna be taking the demand zone that I'm gonna be marking is this one. This is the demand zone that I'm explaining that maybe the price, but let me not mark with this one. Let me use the Fibonacci, because I mostly feel safe if I use Fibonacci on candlestick that are like this. Okay, so right now let me mark this. This was the last low that was formed, and the price here, this it was a target for most of the people were expecting that the price is gonna come to this one after rejecting here. But you have to keep note that mostly if areas are clear like this, mostly there might be a higher chance for the price to come to reject here, then it reverses to sweep this liquidity, because this thing is, it's very easy to spot. Okay, even this zone was very easy to spot, but the price it didn't even give a rejection. Okay, so most of the areas that are easy to spot, they're very dangerous. Okay, so here you can see that the price it was able to, the price here it was able to come to the zone. It was able to come to the zone and rejected to the zone. Okay, look at this, look at this, look at this. I was not even seeing it. I thought maybe it's far away. You can see that this was a very clear demand zone. Okay, it was a very clear demand zone. The price came here, it gave a very good rejection, but it went up though. It went up with a very good momentum. It gained more momentum. But here, the way the candlestick were moving, they were showing that the price was losing its momentum. The sellers were trying to drive the market, but buyers were trying by all means to take over the sellers. Because you can see these candlesticks were fading to show a very good buying momentum. Okay, so here, this was a break of structure. This was a break of structure, and the price did what? The price was able to sweep the liquidity. So sweeping the liquidity, the price was able to sweep this liquidity. Okay, but here the price didn't even manage to. But here I'm gonna be honest, I didn't even trade this thing, and it is very confusing. Okay, but here I get the concept why the price was able to shoot down like this until it went down. But this was, holy shit, this was tall, bruh. And here, this thing, as I've said, so so I'm getting the concept why the price was able to sweep this liquidity like this. Here, the price, what was trying to do, it was trying to sweep the liquidity. So let me go to my 4-hour time frame, see if there was a supply demand zone that was left behind. But this is shocking. You know what we call shocking. Okay, I think maybe the price was trying to, okay, this was a break of structure. Okay, so you can see that it is very important for a trader to mostly visit higher time frames, because it gives you a very clear price movement. Okay, and this, it was a supply zone. This was very valid because the price, it did what first? It swept this liquidity. It was very valid, and the price was able to continue going up. Okay, so okay, I saw that. But honestly, I think I was not even gonna be able to spot this, bruh. Like honestly, this is gonna be very hard because it's very confusing. And here, the another thing that gives more idea that there was a high buy side liquidity is that you can see that this candlestick there was more liquidity that was resting right over here. Okay, and the price was able to sweep this liquidity that was formed here, and even the liquidity that was formed in this demand zone. Okay, and one of the most thing that you have to know that mostly if the price formed this long week, the price is gonna try to just try to fill this liquidity, not the liquidity, the week. The price is gonna try to come and fill this week until it closes below this week. Maybe you can catch some continuation of selling or the reversal of buying. Okay, and here this was the last low. Okay, this was the last low. After forming this last low, this was the last high. This was the last high that was formed. Okay, the price was able to continue. It broke up. The price did what again? It reversed here to the demand zone. It goes here to demand zone. The demand zone that was formed. Okay, so you can see here the price it did what again? The price it failed to make another new high. So here you can see that the price did what? The price is swept the liquidity with this candlestick. So sweeping this liquidity shows me that maybe the price was trying to do what? It was trying to assure that maybe it is losing a buying momentum. Okay, but instead the price it broke this thing again. The price it broke this little low, internal low, and the price it was able to. Oh, this is the demand zone, not a demand zone. This was a supply zone. Okay, so after rejecting to a supply zone, it did what? It stopped the liquidity. Okay, this shows me that the price it was trying to gain selling momentum, because this you can see that the buying momentum is getting lost bit by bit and it was slowing down. Okay, here the price it left what? So right now, since the price swept this liquidity, I'm getting an idea that maybe the price is gonna try to do what? To sweep, not to sweep, to show the selling momentum. Okay, this it was I'm not gonna take this thing as a demand zone because there's not any new high that was being formed, and the price it failed to do that. And the price did what? It came to this zone again. It reversed here, and this I was gonna expect that if the price was gonna continue going up, it was supposed to break this high and make adversary to the demand zone that continue going up. Okay, and here you can see that the price did what? The price it came here, it gave a rejection, and after giving a rejection, the price rejected here. Let me make this. Okay, the price rejected here and it went down a little bit to come to the zone again. So you have to know that mostly if you want to trade news, you're supposed to look in zones that there is high liquidity. Okay, but looking right over here, you can see that there was a continuation of formation of demand zone. Okay, so if demand zone are formed on this way, there is high possibility that the price is going to try to do to sweep the liquidity. Okay, this was a liquidity zone because there was a continuation of demand zone formation. Even here you can see that there was a demand zone, another demand zone, but the price did what? The price it swept the liquidity. Okay, even here there was a demand zone here, demand zone right over here, but the price did what? It made sure that it swept this liquidity that was formed right over here. So mostly you have to look at those things. Okay, you have to look at those things. And here the price did what? This was the liquidity area, and the price it went up, it broke above, and looking right over here, I'm gonna be drawing this trend line. So I'm gonna be drawing this trend line, and looking right over here, you can see that the price it broke above the trend line. Okay, so breaking above the trend line, the price was showing that the price was gaining momentum. But looking right over here, you can see that the price did what? Let me go to my 5 minutes time, 5 minutes time frame. See, let me go to my 1 minute so that I can hear a clear structure. Okay, so looking right over here, the price did what here? The price was able to mitigate this supply zone. Okay, and another supply zone. This one's not even mitigated. Okay, here you can see that the price was able to mitigate this one. Okay, this one is not even mitigated, and here there was another supply zone that was formed, and the price was not even able to mitigate the zone. And looking here, this one was mitigated, and this one was mitigated, and the price went up. So let me okay so looking right over here, you can see that the price it failed to do what, here the continuation of supply and demand zone, this one, and this one. This is the liquidity. That's great. And here you can see that the price it was able to do what, to give a rejection here. It gave a rejection, it went up. So going up here, you can see that the price it went up. It was trying to make a new lower high, and the price after making this new lower high, the price even failed to make a new high. Okay, it broke the structure. Okay, after breaking the structure, the price was able to do what? The price was able to come to the supply zone. Okay, after coming to the supply, the price did what? Okay, the price it broke here. Okay, after breaking here, the price did what? It came to the water again. It came to the supply zone. Okay, so looking right over here, you can see that after the rejection, let me go to 2 minutes time frame so that the candlestick can be and good formation. Not 2, 1 is just okay. Okay, even though the candlestick don't look perfectly, but you can get the idea that why did the market reverse on this area, because this was a change of character, and the price was able to come to the supply zone, break of structure right over here. The price was even able to come to the supply zone. Okay, the price here, after rejecting right over here, you can see that the price it was able to sweep the liquidity that was formed by these candlesticks. Okay, after sweeping the liquidity, the price did what again? The price closed below this candlestick. That shows me that the price it was able to continue going down, because look right over here, you can see that the price did what? It rejected to the supply zone that was left. This was the only supply zone that was left. Okay, and the price did what? The price it shot down like this. Okay, this one I'm pretty sure that I could quote it, but I haven't traded it yet. I didn't even trade it, but I'm pretty sure that I was gonna be able to trade this one. And the fact that the price was supposed to fill this candlestick, even this liquidity. Okay, there were many confirmation that price was supposed to come to the zone. This was supposed to be the target, because the price it might come to the zone and sweep this liquidity and continue and make a reversal to the upward trend, or the market might break down, close below, make a continuation pattern before continuing. Okay, so that is what I had. This is what I have for you guys, and please just hit the subscribe button, and yeah, thank you, take care.